just started our road trip.
Yes, we did.
90 miles. Yeah. We're gonna be stopping at some other places along the way. Where are we going?
Freedom Falls.
So,
Yeah.
I'll be showing you along the way.
Good talk.
Recap. So we made it, but we're lost because there's no service back here in this
Country.
old dirt road. Woo! Slow down!
I am slowing. It was a little intense.
So it says we have 1 more minute left, and
We stopped and I peed in a bush on up my cage.
but hopefully we
other
can
than that, we're
find
doing
it.
dandy, not the shit.
If not, we're gonna find somewhere else to go. So we finally made it.
I didn't realize this was gonna be a hiking and then flip flops
Yeah.
and like and there's other people here and they're in full on hiking gear and shit and we're wearing this. And if a snake bites me, I swear to fucking God. I swear to God. This hill's are
We don't even know if this is like the way, but
there's
guess we'll
people
figure
parked
it
up
out.
here, so we're just gonna hide the shit so bad. Taylor,
okay, we
should've
should
brought
suck it back
napkins.
in and forget about
Oh,
it.
keep going up one more.
Okay, so
They said to bring a flashlight for the tunnel, but we don't have that either.
I have my phone.
Well, yeah, but that's not really great. There might be creepy crawlers in there. So,
We got our weapons, so that's all that matters. Jesus.
oh, I guess there's parts here tonight.
I guess like someone left.
Well, that's good. There's only one car here. Makes me feel better about myself. People won't be judging us. Limestone, 2 damn phones, Bible. Alright, let's hope this is the trail.
We got to the trail.
Is this the trail though? Watch for poison ivy. Wait, I hear water. Oh my God, Taylor. We're in flip flops.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Here we go. I want to get poison ivy on my toes.
Put my phone in here for now. Dude, are we gonna have signs of like where to go?
I told you we should have followed this. People were asked.
Dude, I already see the waterfall.
We made it!
Maybe not. I mean,
Thank God.
I see water.
See, it wasn't that bad. It's not even like a hike. It's like a
Wait, there's
little
people
walk
out
hike.
it.
Huh?
There's people, I hear them. The waterfall. The only question is, which way do we go from here down there?
I guess.
I mean, water flows downhill, right?
Yeah.
So we must go down.
We traveled 2 hours for this.
Real life adventurous. We should have brought snacks.
Yeah, we were not prepared.
You know, I thought about all this stuff like way before, but I just didn't want to mention it, so I was too lazy to do any of that shit.
It's like majestic back here. Look at these old rocks. Like, that definitely was something before in the past.
Well, I mean, probably. Let's go down here first.
Oh wait, the waterfall's right there. Yo, it's right there.
We could take pictures like standing on those rocks or something.
Yeah.
And we can walk down there once
This is actually really nice.
once the other people leave, we can continue down. Do you remember that creek we used to float down with the chaplas?
Yeah.
With like all the rocks in it?
Mm-hmm.
What creek was that?
Like the Susquehanna River. I don't know. Should go this
What
way.
if I fall down the water?
No, we should definitely go that way.
Yeah, I'm not trying to break an ankle today, sis. Oh, there's a campsite. Here, wait, let's go.
Yo, we could go.
We
let's
could
just
go
go.
on that little platform.
Yeah, let's just go look around. This place is like kind of low key. I feel like. 'Cause,
Well,
like,
there's only one car here, which is like crazy to me.
Yeah.
And people said the water's very... It's sand.
I don't even know like the real name of this place, so like ow. Ow. Ow, I just got fucking bit. Ow. I just saw it on my arm.
Looks like someone partied here.
Looks like some type of ritual tree.
Taylor's the tree. Alright, I'm going in the water.
She's going in the water. And my hair is falling out. Yo, what was this? Like, this looks like... I was about to say man-made, but like... I don't know. Because like that upper rock looks so like straight and built.
Yeah, it's weird. Alright, we can literally take pictures like on any of this shit. We could even go on like that little platform right there.
Yeah.
Alright, let me got the camera and adjust it.
Okay. So we just went down there to some rocks and took some little pictures. I'll try to insert them. But now we're gonna go see the actual waterfall. So excited!
We should go over here and like look down on it first before we go around. So people
Yeah.
are still here.
Please don't fall down the waterfall.
You know how bad? I would probably die. I'd probably hit rocks on the way down. I'm not gonna get very close to them. Watch for snakes also. They could be in the rocks. Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh my god, you can literally stand on top of it, Taylor. No way.
One of us has to stand on top and one of us has to go down there.
Well, let's just look at it really quick. I don't see any people. Oh my god. Taylor, this is insane. It kind of gives me the heebie-jeebies a little bit.
Oh my god.
Where's my phone?
It does.
Wait, make sure nothing spills out of this too.
I know.
When I open it. Wait,
This
wait,
is
don't
crazy.
move.
Alright, now I'm gonna take some pics on here real quick. So we found this beautiful, like, looking oasis type thing. But now I have to figure out how to get down there without falling to my death. There's shoes.
Huh?
There's
That's what I'm saying. There's little kid shit, but there's no adult shit anywhere. That's what I was saying. Come here. Also, that rock, that one. Come here. You can go off the rock. But that rock, step to the left of it because it's gonna move.
How'd you get up there?
On that rock, you jumped up. Oh, take a step. You really can't make it. Look how easy that was.
Oh my god.
Honestly, I'm contemplating.
That is so beautiful.
I'm contemplating getting in naked and taking pictures and just having to change after.
Hell yeah. Oh my god. I have to pee. I'm about to pee in there.
Damn it, we should have put on our bathing suits before we came here down here.
I know.
Alright, I might take off my pants. I'm scared people are gonna come. I just want to sit on that rock.
So, we're walking back up. We went in the freaking waterfall.
Yep, sure did.
Got some awesome pictures. So, we're almost back. But it was beautiful down there. So, we went to go get something to eat, and now we're almost home. It's a big chunk of time missing. Yeah, it wasn't anything exciting happening. So, did you like it?
Yeah, I didn't like the drive.
Huh?
I didn't like the drive. Well, the way
Yeah.
there was fun. The way back was like kill myself because you were sleeping and I was just sitting here about to fall asleep.